Winemaking is a captivating journey. It transforms humble grapes into a sophisticated beverage. This process, once a cottage industry, now thrives in mega factories. These factories leverage technology and scale to produce wine for the world. From the vine to the bottle, each step is crucial. This intricate dance between nature and technology defines modern winemaking. The journey begins in the vineyard. Mega factories process tons of grapes daily. This machinery ensures efficiency and consistency. The goal is to capture the essence of the vineyard in. Harvesting is a critical stage in winemaking. It dictates the quality of the final product. The timing of the harvest is crucial. It depends on the grape variety and the desired wine style. Winemakers carefully monitor the grape's sugar levels and acidity. This helps determine the optimal picking time. The goal is to harvest grapes at peak ripeness. Traditionally, harvesting was done by hand. Teams of workers would meticulously pick grapes. They filled baskets with clusters. This labor-intensive process is still practiced, especially for high-end wines. However, in megafactories, technology plays a significant role. Mechanical harvesters are now commonplace. These machines straddle the vine rows. They shake the grapes loose. The grapes fall onto conveyor belts. They are then transported to the winery. Mechanical harvesting is efficient. It allows for large quantities of grapes to be harvested quickly. This is essential for mega factories. Despite the advantages of mechanization, some wineries still prefer hand harvesting. This method allows for selective picking. Only the best grapes are chosen. This ensures higher quality wine. Hand harvesting also minimizes damage to the vines. It's a gentler approach. Once harvested, the grapes arrive at the winery. They are ready for crushing and pressing. This liberates the juice from the grapes. It sets the stage for fermentation. The method depends on the type of wine. For red wines, the grapes are crushed to break the skins. This releases juice, seeds, and stems. This mixture is called must. Skins are crucial for red wine. They contain pigments and tannins. These contribute to the wine's color and structure. White wines are usually pressed directly. The juice is extracted without the skins. This results in a lighter colored wine. Modern factories use sophisticated machinery. These machines maximize juice extraction. Precision and control are paramount. The must is then transferred to fermentation tanks. This marks the beginning of the transformation from grape juice to wine. The next stage, fermentation, is where the magic happens. Yeast converts the sugar in the must into alcohol. Fermentation is the heart of winemaking. It's a biological process. Yeast consumes the sugar in the grape must. It converts it into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This transformation is what distinguishes wine from grape juice. It's a delicate process that requires careful monitoring. The type of yeast used can significantly influence the wine's flavor profile. Some winemakers use wild yeasts. These are naturally present on the grapes. Others prefer cultured yeasts. These offer more control over the fermentation process. The choice of yeast depends on the desired wine style. Temperature control is crucial during fermentation. Different temperatures favor different yeast strains. They also influence the development of aromas and flavors. Winemakers carefully regulate the temperature. They use specialized tanks equipped with cooling systems. This ensures optimal fermentation conditions. The duration of fermentation varies. It depends on the type of wine being made. It can range from a few days to several weeks. During this time, the must bubbles and froths as carbon dioxide is released. The winemaker monitors the process closely. They track the sugar levels and acidity. This ensures the fermentation proceeds as desired. Section 5. Clarification and filtration. Refining the elixir. After fermentation, the wine is still cloudy. It contains sediment. Clarification and filtration remove these impurities. This results in a clear, brilliant wine. Racking is a traditional technique, transferring wine to leave sediment behind. It preserves the wine's delicate aromas. Fining involves adding substances to bind sediment. Common agents include egg whites and bentonite clay. Filtration passes wine through a filter to remove particles. Some winemakers prefer minimal filtration to preserve character. The choice depends on the winemaker's style and the type of wine. The goal is clarity without stripping flavors and aromas. Section 6. Aging. A test of time. Aging is essential for many wines. It develops complexity and nuance. Aging can occur in oak barrels, stainless steel tanks, or concrete vats. The vessel choice influences the wine's character. Oak barrels impart flavors like vanilla and spice. They allow slow oxidation, softening tannins. Stainless steel tanks preserve freshness and fruitiness. They don't impart flavors. Concrete vats offer a middle ground. They add complexity while preserving freshness. The aging duration varies by wine. Winemakers monitor and taste regularly. Section 7. Blending and bottling. The final touches. After aging, some wines undergo blending. This involves combining different grape varieties or vintages to achieve a specific flavor profile. Blending is an art form. It requires skill and experience. It allows winemakers to create unique and complex wines. The winemaker carefully selects the wines to be blended. They consider their individual characteristics, such as aroma, flavor, and acidity. They strive to create a harmonious blend where the individual components complement each other. Once the blend is finalized, the wine is ready for bottling. This is a crucial step. It ensures the wine's quality and longevity. The bottles are thoroughly cleaned and sterilized before being filled with wine. This prevents contamination. The bottles are then corked or sealed with a screw cap and labeled. The label provides information about the wine, such as the grape variety, region, and vintage. It also serves as a branding element, attracting consumers. Quality control, ensuring excellence. Quality control is paramount throughout the winemaking process, from grape harvesting to bottling. Mega factories employ rigorous quality control measures to ensure the wine meets the highest standards. This involves constant monitoring and analysis. Winemakers regularly sample and analyze the wine at various stages. They check the sugar levels, acidity, and pH. They also assess the wine's aroma and flavor to detect any flaws or deviations. This allows for corrective actions to be taken. Laboratory tests are also conducted to analyze the wine's chemical composition. This ensures it meets legal requirements and is free from harmful substances. These tests provide valuable data, helping winemakers fine-tune their processes. Sensory evaluation is another important aspect of quality control. Trained tasters evaluate the wine's aroma, flavor, and mouthfeel. They look for specific characteristics, such as balance, complexity, and length. Their feedback is invaluable. Section 9. Distribution. Sharing the fruits of labor. Once bottled, the wine is ready for distribution. Mega factories have extensive distribution networks reaching consumers worldwide. This involves logistics and transportation, ensuring the wine arrives at its destination in optimal condition. The wine is carefully packaged and palletized for efficient shipping. Temperature-controlled trucks and containers are used to protect the wine from extreme temperatures, maintaining its quality during transit. Distribution channels vary depending on the target market. Wine can be sold directly to consumers through the winery's tasting room or website, or through retailers, restaurants, and distributors, reaching a wide audience. Marketing and branding play a crucial role in distribution, creating awareness and demand for the wine. Wine labels, promotional materials, and advertising campaigns all contribute to the wine's success in the marketplace. The final step is the consumer enjoying the wine, appreciating the culmination of the entire winemaking process. From the vineyard to the table, each sip represents the dedication and expertise of everyone involved in creating the wine. Section 10. Conclusion. A toast to tradition and innovation. The journey of wine, from vine to bottle, is a testament to the fusion of tradition and innovation. Mega factories, with their advanced technology and large-scale production, represent the modern face of winemaking, while still upholding the core principles of this ancient craft. The meticulous processes involved, from harvesting to aging and bottling, demonstrate the dedication and precision required to produce quality wine. Each step plays a crucial role in shaping the final product, influencing its flavor, aroma, and overall character. The science and art of winemaking intertwine. The scale of production in mega factories allows for greater efficiency and consistency, ensuring that a wider audience can enjoy the fruits of the vineyard. However, it also underscores the importance of maintaining quality control, ensuring that each bottle reflects the care and expertise that goes into its creation. From the careful selection of grapes to the final corking of the bottle, the winemaking process is a journey of transformation, a delicate dance between nature and human intervention. It's a testament to the enduring appeal of this timeless beverage. Cheers to the dedication and innovation that continues to shape the world of wine.